Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to draw rectangle and oval shape in your PDF file using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Now select Review option and here you will find Shapes option. Click on this down arrow. This is rectangle object. Click here and drag your mouse cursor, draw a rectangle. And also insert oval shape here, circle. Now select down arrow, select text and graphics, click on this rectangle and select, and scope of this option now activated. Click here. Here you can add fill color, so border color you can change. This is border thickness. Similarly, I'll change this oval, this border, let's red border, fill color, insert this one, and see this. And if you want, you can change opacities, and this is border style. You make it solid. You can increase, decrease this shape size and move anywhere, and so and see this. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment.